But we can. Now I heard Mankind was calling out the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. But here's what I've got to say to you, Mankind, or should I say, Mick Foley. I am the diamond ring wearing, Rolex wearing, kiss stealing, wheeling, dealing, son of a gun, woo! The 16-time world champion. Diamonds are forever, and so is Ric Flair, and not you with your leather mask in your mother's basement, your Mr. Sacco. I got a limousine a mile long. I'm riding in jet airplanes, wearing custom-made suits. You hear that, Mankind? You can have one of these robes. It only costs about $11,000. Woo!
You know something, Ric Flair? My mother gave me this sock. It's a special sock. It's with love. This is a love sock, Ric Flair. I don't like the way you've been talking about me. You keep running your mouth, making all these accusations, and Mrs. Foley's baby boy doesn't appreciate that. If you want to bring the pain, I will bring the pain, and hell in a cell. So what do you think about that? Right here at Wondercon in Anaheim, California.
I'll tell you what I think about that, Mankind. You've got Mr. Sacco, but I've got the Four Horsemen. That's right. I got Tully Blanchard, I got Arn Anderson, I got Ole Anderson, and we're gonna take you to the top of Space Mountain. It's the oldest ride with the longest line. Woo!
Last time I checked, they weren't available in my book. Have a nice day. Nobody was in there except my partner. I'm talking about The Rock, because he smells what you're cooking and it's garbage.
The Rock has never been a 16-time world champion. The Rock has never beaten Hulk Hogan. The Rock has never beaten Dusty Rhodes. The Rock has never beaten Sting. Woo!
You're not even a champion anymore. Woo! Your daughter's a champion. Ooh. That's right. His daughter. Does anybody else want some of this?
Sorry, I wanted to respect. Yeah.